Different day, obviously. I've had a haircut. Look at it. Mighty fine if I don't say so myself. Alright, enough jokes aside. What we're going to do today is blow up the microwave. Okay, what I want to do first though is just test metal in the microwave. So we're going to put the nails and the lead sinkers into the microwave, turn it on and see what happens. Then, for a second test, we're going to put a single firecracker in the microwave, turn the microwave on, again, we'll see what happens. Third test is a shotgun shell. We'll put one singular shotgun shell into the microwave, turn the microwave on, run like hell, and fourth test. This is going to be the fun one. We're going to strap all those ingredients together into the ball, like we saw in the photo, and then hopefully detonate that. Should be fun, eh? Alright, let's get to it. I've got my nails and I've got my lead sinkers. So what we're going to do now is firstly put the nails and sinkers into the microwave to see what happens with just the metal. And then we'll go from there. Literally nothing is happening.
It's not going to, it won't.
I was hoping it arc.
Put the foil back in.
Oh, I just saw an arc. Alright. I'm pretty satisfied that not much is happening. So, what we'll do is move on to firecrackers. Can you keep filming, please?
No.
Oh, hang on. No, there we go.
Hey! I saw it.
Can you put your shadow on it again, please? Great.
Oh.
So there are little arcs. So we just did the nails and the sinkers. Pretty lame if you ask me. So, we can move on to the firecracker. Let's go. So I've got here a string of firecrackers and I'll just take one of them off to put in the microwave and see what happens with just one of them. There we are, one firecracker. After 2 minutes. At least I assume it was 2 minutes, I put 2, 0, 0. So it might be 200 minutes. Okay. So, after 2 minutes of nothing happening, I think it's pretty safe to assume that nothing will happen. We'll just let it cool down for a little bit. It smells like really old food that's just been overcooked.
That's what you smell like in the morning.
That glass is really hot. Alright, so now what we're using is one 12 gauge shotgun shell. I'm expecting something to happen with this one. That did something. Sick. And would you look at that, the microwave is still going and is still in one piece.
Oh, it's like...
Watch out, you might microwave your arm.
It's not even connected to power. The wadding, all the lead shot, and the shell seems to have melted somewhat with the heat of the metal, or I don't know, anyway. That worked. All those square dots is unburnt smokeless in amongst all the steel shot. What we're going to use for the bomb, because there were 4 shotgun shells in it. So to start off with, I've got this one, which is a Eli Grand Prix cartridge made from cardboard and metal, whereas the modern ones are made from plastic. I believe this one belonged to my grandfather, I just found it. We've also got these ones which are steel shot, which is what we used before in the microwave. This one's lead shot, and my personal favourite, deer slugs, which are solid hunks of lead. As you can see in the end of there, it's pretty much a cannon coming out of your shotgun. These are the 4 rounds that we'll use to give it the best chance. We'll use those different varieties, along with the firecrackers. I mean, everything's fine. Everything's fine. So here we have modern safety fuse, and I've also got some really old-fashioned safety fuse. This has a metal core inside of it, which is designed to reinforce the fuse, which will give it a better chance of arcing. I've got some visco fuse. It's basically just a really thin, old-fashioned type of fuse, and I've also got thicker and shorter fuse here. So I'll attach every type of fuse that I've got to this, again, to give it a better chance of initiating. Here we go.
Transformer.
Nasty looking thing. Let's give it a whirl.
Looks a lot like the picture, which is good.
Alright, it's time. Safety first. Alright, we're recording. So, no shrapnel. Not only didn't escape the microwave, but no shrapnel escaped even the electrical tape. Round 2, we're going to put it back in for, I'll set the time for 10 minutes, see what happens. Alright, so what happened last time was this door open, which, as you know, the microwave, as soon as the door opens, the microwave stops running. So we've now taped it shut in the hope that it'll continue to run for as long as it's possible. Alright, you're on.
Hey! That looks great.
That's so good. Oh, it's melted to lead. It's full melted onto the plate.
That's impressive.
Wow.
Very impressive.
I can see flames.
Oh yeah, it's burning.
Oh, it is.
Ah,
How's it
okay.
even get?
So your little crim could have caused some damage.
Well, nothing escaped the microwave. Alright, so that was a big old letdown, you know. No shrapnel even left the microwave. Sure, there were a few booms and whatnot, and the shrapnel flew around inside the microwave, but it wasn't a real danger to anyone on the outside. You could have been 2 feet away from that and you would have been fine. I wouldn't recommend it, but, you know, it is what it is. But you know I'm not going to leave it there, right? We're going to keep ramping this up until we get the result we want. I mean, we've still got a microwave. Still looks like a microwave. I'm not satisfied until we destroy it.